Welcome back to COLLAB University. We're still in level 200, but guys, guess what? This is lesson 205, and this is the last lesson in the level 200 series. Now, we know by now, you should if you don't, that the 200 level is all about consistent cash flow. So let's dive into what we're talking about in today's lesson. So today, we're talking about pricing. You're working too hard for what you're charging. If people say yes quickly to your prices, but your income still isn't growing, you don't have a demand problem. You have a pricing structure problem. And today's lesson is all about how to properly structure your pricing system. Today's client is Elena, and she is a makeup artist. Y'all, I started out in the game in 2015 or so, back around that time, and I was a makeup artist. I didn't know anything about marketing or branding. I just know that I liked pretty things and I love to make up faces. So I became a certified makeup artist, so I know firsthand how taxing it is on the body and how expensive products are. Back in the day, MAC used to be that girl. If you know, you know. I had a MAC Pro account and all I used was MAC. And MAC was expensive. That probably was one of the reasons why I stopped doing makeup, because I was like, this is too much. But it wasn't too much. I just wasn't charging enough. And now that I've been in business for myself for over a decade, not including the times where I worked a 9 to 5 and still always had a little side hustle going on, I've been in business for myself for over a decade. So I know exactly what it feels like to throw yourself into your work, trying to become the best in your industry. And most of you are the best in your industry, but you just don't have the systems in place to make your bank account and your lifestyle reflect that. And that is exactly why I created COLLAB University. It is exactly why I created the Lead Lab, so that I can help hardworking entrepreneurs who have done the work. We have done the work to become the experts in our industry. It's time that we get the respect that we deserve. So, forgive me if I sound a little passionate, but I believe if you put in the work, you put in the effort, you deserve to charge what you're worth, and the right people will pay you. All increasing pricing does is take out the people who don't really deserve your time and energy. We have to be cautious that we are working with clients who we are aligned with. Everybody is not your client. Everybody is not my client, and I'm okay with that. And I want you guys to be okay with that as well. So let's dive into what Elena's psychological trigger is. Every week we discuss what psychological trigger is keeping our client from reaching their next level in their business. So let's take a look at what Elena's is. Elena believes lower prices attract more clients. She's afraid raising her rates will reduce bookings, so she keeps her pricing low. Even though her calendar stays full, her income stays capped. And that's not a good problem to have, y'all. A full calendar and a capped income, no thank you, okay? So let's dive right into what Elena's client problems are. She's charging below market value. She's offering only one service tier. There's no premium options available, no bundled services, and income is limited by her time availability. Y'all, just reading those things, I have so many ideas. Like I said, I used to be in the makeup industry, so having the knowledge that I have now, I know exactly what Elena needs to do to scale and grow her business. But for the sake of time, we're going to stick to what we've already broken down in my notes. So let's get into her current model. She has one service price for everyone, no package upgrades, no premium tier. She's fully booked, but her income is capped, and she's trading her time directly for money. So one service price for everyone is a no-no. Whatever she's doing at this rate that she's offering now, probably $75 to $120, she needs to make that her base tier. So eyeshadow, no. You get a soft liner, a light lash, and maybe some inner corner highlight, and that's it. If she needs extravagant eyeshadow and a cut crease and a glitter liner and a wing this and full coverage, that there's going to be a different pricing package. There's no package upgrades. You don't give people something to aspire to or to add on. So make sure that you have packages that people can upgrade to. That way you can make more money per client. There's no premium tier. There should always be a premium tier that's full service. So that means you go to them, you bring everything that they need to them. You leave them with a little kit to make up their lipstick and their liner on the go. So that means whatever you use on them, you give it to them so that they can use that for touch-ups during their event or during the photo session. Or maybe you stay the whole photo session and you do the touch-ups and stuff for them. That is the premium packages that every business needs to have, not just Elena in the makeup industry, but everyone should have a done for you price. I have a done for you price. I have a do it yourself price. I have a done with you price, and I have a done for you price. Every business should have those in place. She's fully booked, but her income is capped, and that's only because she doesn't have any package upgrades and she has the one price for everyone. You have to do other things. You have to figure out how to create passive income. Elena most definitely should have a course that she's selling passively to teach people how to do their makeup at home on whatever her signature look is. If they want to learn how to do it themselves, she should have a course for that. They're still going to book you for their major events, but if they're just going out for a night and they want their makeup done, they will pay you to buy your course so they can learn how to do that. That'll also cover your trading time directly for money. Now you should have an expertise, because remember, the make money method is one offer, one message, one system. You should have one offer that you're constantly pushing that is your expertise. If it's soft glam or full glam, whatever you are the best at, whatever you enjoy doing the most, that thing is what you should be pushing all the time. And you should have memberships where people can come in once a month to get their lashes done, or they come in, whatever. Girl, you should also be getting other certifications in brows and permanent cosmetics. Never stay stagnant. You should always be looking to scale and grow. And as you continue to join me on this COLLAB University journey, we will scale and grow your business. Just stick with me. Meet me over there in COLLAB University. Let's get things done, okay? So now it's time to fix it. We're going to give Elena one entry service, $125 standard makeup session. Nothing fancy, a standard soft glam look. Then we're going to create one premium package session, $195 session with lashes and a touch-up kit. One event offer, group booking package for bridal party. We need to get Elena to make money fast. So Elena is going to announce a new premium package. I'm introducing a new full glam package that includes lashes and a touch-up kit for clients who want longer lasting results. This should include one booking link in her bio. Now, instead of increasing her workload, she increases revenue per appointment. Now, as always, guys, you need a system. So let's jump into what system we're going to create for Elena. Once Elena introduces tier pricing, premium clients become easier to identify. Upsells increase average booking value. Appointment confirmations streamline scheduling. Repeat clients return automatically for events. Instead of working more hours, systems help Elena earn more from the same calendar. Y'all, I'm going to put the money map in the COLLAB University. Once you learn the money map system that I use for my clients, what the kids say, chef's kiss. I don't know if the kids just in it, but chef's kiss, okay? This thing. That. All right, guys. That's all we have. You have graduated from level 200. Next week, we'll start the level 300 series, and it's all about no more bottlenecks. What does a bottleneck mean anyway? Well, tune in next week to find out, and I'll tell you exactly what it means. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode for this lesson 205 in COLLAB University. I hope you guys are learning something. I hope you are able to apply this information to your business. If you don't understand how to do it, please get over in COLLAB. It is absolutely free. If you are making $3K or more per month, get in the lead lab. If you are making under $3,000, you need to be in COLLAB University, because COLLAB University, the purpose of that is to get you to $3,000 per month in consistent cash flow. If you already have that, you need systems, and it's time for you to tap in. So I'll see you over in the lead lab. But regardless, I'll see you back here next week, same place, same time.